start my presentation with a demonstration of my program. Here is my code for the assignment. So most of the code happens in the states.cpp file, and it starts off with the title state. So when entering the game, it loads the images, and then we'll update them for when the user clicks on the play button, so that way it can go to the game state. In the game state, there's a little bit of background music, and then when it enters the game, there's a lot of copy paste of code from all the previous assignments that is then used. So this includes the timer with the help bar, some of the background music, the exit button, and the 3 backgrounds, and then the animated vector. The update's also pretty long. It has some of the stuff that needs to be checked when it's updating. There's some of the built-in, just the player movement, as well if it's touching a object in the animated vector, then it will trigger the change state to the loose state. And these are some smaller methods or parts of the code. There's the render, that's just rendering the different M objects, and then the exit just closes everything. For the loose state, there isn't too much there. It simply prints out you lose, and then the program ends. And then the pause state has the button, the pause state button. You enter it, and then it's updating to see if the player or the person clicks on it, then it goes back to the game state. This is where most of the code happens. Most of the other stuff is already made. And most of the other code's already made. So simply just putting them into this program from all the other different assignments. And then the title state here, the game is called here. And then while you're playing it, timer, exit button, it looks a little weird. And then these are the enemies at the top, and then you can just run into them, and then it prints you lose, and then goes again.